Hi everyone, my name is Oscar Zimmerman and I'm a high school teacher in Minnesota. I'm talking to you today because I want to change the world. How am I doing that? A notebook. A notebook? Yeah, a notebook. I call it the Cornell Notes on Steroids notebook because it's a notebook unlike any other out there that contains the Cornell Notes template inside and also a learning method that helps students maximize their learning, organize their learning better, and just learn better. I know it's the 21st century, but actually there's new research that proves that when students write notes by hand, they actually remember better and understand more in class. I know it's kind of weird because everyone's trying to use technology and taking notes using Evernote or other apps, but actually using a notebook is very helpful. Problem is that notebooks out there don't guide students, and many times teachers will present a method of note-taking to students, but there's really not enough time or practice for students to internalize it. Whereas with my notebook, what happens is the method is right there in the notebook, so students don't have to draw lines, make some sort of an organization. It's all there with prompts that guide them, when they're taking notes or, for example, doing a brainstorming session in a team, or reading a book, or watching a video, or doing anything that could, potentially require them to just jot some things down. So it's really a good way for them to just have something, a template that they can go by, fill it in with information, and then later on use it in their learning. So that's why I did it. And actually, I've used it in my classes the last year, and it really works, and students liked it. Not everyone liked it. There are some students who just, no matter what, they ain't buying whatever you're selling, and that's okay. But about 75 to 80% of my students really found it useful, and it helped them learn. And if they use the method correctly, it's really going to be a tool that serves them their whole life. Who is the notebook for? It's for students who know how to write. So as soon as a child learns to write, he or she can start developing a note-taking method and an organizational method that will serve them all their school career and also professional career. Notebook comes in 3 colors. Got black, blue, and planetary purple. The most important things are it's guilt-free. Like I said, it's environmentally friendly, doesn't contain any GMOs, no lactose if you're lactose intolerant, no cockroach milk, because that stuff's just weird. But anyway, there it is. Please consider buying one for you, your child, your neighbor, distant uncle in a far, far away land. Anybody can use this thing because it's awesome. Thanks for watching.